Hello class, today we will continue our lesson on opposites. We are using our class theme in this activity to show a fun way to discover opposites. This will help you define what is different and what is alike, as well as increase your vocabulary and increase your abstract thinking. Vocabulary will increase by learning these different kinds of terms as far as it goes with opposite. On this first slide, it says that same and alike are the opposite of opposite and different. See how easy opposites are? So, I have created this slideshow to give you examples of things that are opposite and things that are the same. Here we have a giraffe and a deer. They are different animals. One is tall and one is short, so these are definitely opposites. Here is a cat, and the cat is cleaning itself. However, there's this pig and he's rolling around in the mud, so he's dirty. These are definitely opposite. The monkey on the left-hand side is holding two bananas. These bananas are the same, which means they are alike. The monkey on the right-hand side is holding an apple and a banana. These two fruits are not the same, which means they are different, and they are opposite. This little girl is drawing a giraffe. On the left side, she has just started the picture, but on the right side, she had finished. Although the giraffe is still the same picture, it still shows that these two girls are opposites. There is a bear and a bunny. They are different animals. And also, one is strong and one is weak. So these are definitely opposites. The cats on the left-hand side are gray and they look the same, while the other cats on the right-hand side may be the same animals, but they are different because they have different colors. One cat is black, while the other cat is orange. Now it is your turn. Please open up Microsoft Word, students, like we've done many times before, and I want you to write down the numbers 1 through 10. You will have 10 answers. We will write down whether the following pictures on these next slides are opposite or the same. Those are the only things you have to say, and you can also say alike or different, but you need to use those terms. What are these? Are they opposite or are they the same? What about these two animals? Oh, what about these cuties? One of the animals looks like it's sleeping, but the other animal looks like it's awake. Are these the same or are they different? These animals do look alike. They're both birds, but their actions, are they the same? Are they in the same spot? This is a two-part question, so you will answer, you will put down two different answers. These are both dogs, so they would be, these dogs have feelings. One is happy, the other one is sad. So they are ooh, a tasty treat. What do these look like? Are they the same or are they different? Again, these are both dogs. We already know this. This is only one answer because I want to know about the colors. One is black and one is white. So they are, last question, two parts. The type of animal here is, so are they the same or are they different? Their age is, are they the same or are they different? Please don't forget to save and email your answers to my email, amberj@yahoo.com. Remember to use the paperclip icon to upload the attachment to the email. We have practiced this many times. I hope you guys will be able to do it, but if you have any questions, please reach out to me so we can get this done. Don't forget to write your name in the subject line. Tomorrow we will start our own project on PowerPoint. Thank you.